getting ready to retire, meaning we don't quite have a retirement date yet. But what I'm thinking is in 3 years, I think our daughters will be a little more settled and a little more in a situation where they are. I may want to move to be closer to them as they have grandbabies. I don't know how you guys feel about that, but I think I would like to be a very active part in my grandbabies' lives. And so if we could move to be a little bit closer, because I don't think either one are moving to be closer to me. I love this house. I didn't even know it was my dream house until we moved into it. And that's a whole story for another day. But I do love this house. It's going to be hard to find something that we like as much, but it is too big. I need to downsize, and I want to be closer to them. So with that in mind, and this kind of 3-year time frame, I have time to sell some stuff and to empty this house out and get it down to the bare bones so that when we do move, everything that we move is going to be something that has heart. I don't know how else I want to say it. It has memories attached to it. It's something I love. I enjoy. I want to look at it every day. I don't mind dusting it. I think that's really the key factor there, right? Do you mind dusting it? So that's our plan. So just a little bit of background. In 2024, so almost a year ago, it hasn't quite been a year, we moved Pete's parents into a retirement community, and then we moved my mom into a retirement community. So within a period of about 4 to 5 months, we cleaned out 2 houses, staged them, got them ready to sell, worked with realtors, moved them, got them pieces of furniture that fit their new spaces, got rid of furniture. It was a lot. Because of this crazy we went through, where we moved both of our parents out of their houses, and it was an overwhelming amount of stuff in a short period of time. It's wild that we did both of our parents at the same time. Wild. Doing it in a couple of months, it's like, I think my children will hate me. And we're not doing that to our kids. We've told our kids that a million times, that we're not doing it to them. When when the time comes and we pass, they're going to know that everything in our home has some sort of value. There's no extraneous stuff shoved in closets. And so now that you know a little bit about the 2024 and the year leading up to this and what our plans are for the future, I'm going to show you a closet. One of the first closets that I'm going to tackle. Okay, a little more explanation, okay? I need to declutter my house. I'm going to try to sell it between Facebook Marketplace, maybe Etsy. I had an Etsy store for a while, and maybe eBay. Probably eBay. eBay, Facebook Marketplace, maybe Etsy. That's the actual order. So I'm going to be doing that. And so as I clean things out, I'm looking to photograph it. I have to find a place to put it so that if somebody buys it, I know where it is. It's in good shape. It's clean. It's ready to go. So that is my task over the next couple of years. And I'm going to give myself a couple of years. I don't want it anymore. I don't want things in closets anymore, unless it's my clothes and it's my closet. Let's go look at my closets, shall we? Good times. Let's go. Okay, do you feel like you know my situation now? Because we're going to go look in the closet. Okay, you guys, this is one closet, just one. Remember I said I have 3 that are like this. Ta-da! It is literally probably worse than most people's storage rooms. A lot of this stuff over here is mine. I've got some stuff up here. Look, there's family photos. I want to find a way, a good way to scan those and send those to our frame. Do you guys have a digital frame? I didn't think I was going to like mine as much as I did. Just coming around so you can see, oh yeah, the photo albums. Gosh, guys, look, that's all photos. That's like a whole other project. Am I right? And then, just so you kind of know like what kind of crazy my mom had. This is every single Cuisinart attachment you could possibly have. She's not using those. Those are definitely going to get sold. But then,
Oh yeah, it goes back. This whole front section here is some of my mom's clothes, and I'm just going to go through here and figure out, you know, what she could still maybe use. I haven't touched any of this since I've been in here. She does have like her mom's fur coat. Guys, what am I going to do with that? It's very soft, but you know, nobody wears fur coats anymore. But the fact is, some animal died to make this, right? And how do you honor that? How do you honor that? Um, there is a carpet down here for my daughter, some pillows, bedspreads, extra bedding, more of the stuff that my daughter wanted to take with her that reminded her of her grandparents. Oh, way in the back. You can't see it probably, but way back there, that's American Girl stuff. We need to get rid of the American Girl stuff. So anyway, this is project number one. We've got to declutter. Oh, there's an extra printer up there. This stuff can be sold. It can be given away. It's just a matter of, I want this closet back. I need my sanity back. And I finally have the capacity to do it. It really, moving our parents, it took a lot out of me. I hope I'm giving you a clear picture of what this is. I'm going to start by picking out, I don't know, like 5 or 6 things in here that I think I can list on either Facebook Marketplace or maybe eBay. I keep wanting to say Etsy, but I think it's eBay. So that's project number one. So I feel like if I do this a little bit at a time, it's going to be more manageable, and it's going to make more sense. And some things are just going to get donated to Goodwill too. But okay, so stick with me. I'm going to pull out a few things. Oh my God, this is insane. Oh no, I think this thing's gonna fall behind me. Oh shoot, there it goes. Okay, so that's the start of Operation Declutter. I feel like if you will do this with me, if I will encourage you to not do this to your children, get rid of the stuff yourself. Also, why don't you want the money from your own things? I know I do. I'm going to take this money that we make for ourselves, not my mama's money for her things, but the money that I make for us. I think we could maybe make enough that it would pay for maybe a small cruise at the end, for like a retirement cruise. Think about that, like a future trip, a future you, a future where you're able to move, and not have all this crazy stuff around you. And maybe consider doing a little bit of decluttering with me. I'm going to keep you updated on the project. I'll let you know how much we've made. And my goal is that about half of the stuff in this house, it's going to be gone in a year. And we're going to feel so much lighter and so much happier. So thanks for joining me in the crazy. Let me know if you've ever moved your parents out of their home and how that went. And let me know where you are in your stage of retirement. Thanks.